Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget the neck.
Yeah.
So I am gonna make me an iced coffee for the road because buying coffee is not in my budget. I saw one of my friends on TikTok make this one. Never tried it, so I'm gonna try it. You take marshmallow cream and you like cream it on the inside of your cup. Okay? I don't know. She said it's good, so I'm trusting her. I think her name is, let me think what her name is. Rach Lynn. I think that's her name on TikTok. If that's not her name on TikTok, I'm sure I know her name is Rach Lynn Covalence. So if you would like search that, her recipe will probably come up. I'm not exactly sure if this is exactly how she made it, but if I'm remembering right, she put marshmallow cream. Y'all can't even see it. Let's see if I can take this off. No, I don't need to. Anyways, you put marshmallow cream on the inside of the cup like that. I added my ice on top of that. Then you put milk in there. However much milk. And then, can you get me a spoon, babe? I'm using the blonde gold espresso one. I think she used this one too. So I'm gonna use that one and scoop it in there. This is like literally my favorite. I'm gonna do one big scoop and then mix it up and see how it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna try it before I like put anything else in it. Ooh.
We're going to a store.
That is good. Okay, I can see this. Yes, definitely. I can see me drinking this. The more the marshmallow cream will like melt down the side, it'll give it like that nice creamy sweet texture. It's not as sweet because the marshmallow cream is still on the sides, but I feel like when it like melts together, it'll be so amazing. One of my friends gave me a Kendra Scott necklace for Christmas, and okay, I was like shocked. I'm so obsessed. It is so cute, so I'm actually gonna put it on. I feel like I need to wear it. I need to put it on. I need to wear it. It's so cute. Let me show y'all.
I don't look at it.
It's from Kaylee.
I know.
So cute. How does it look? Tell me how it looks.
Good.
Good?
It looks like 100%,
1000% good. Okay, I'm gonna wear this. Oh, I need to put earrings on too. Oh my gosh. We're at Walmart now. We're gonna go in and get some things for the baby shower tomorrow. He is sleeping, which I do not like when they're sleeping before I go in the store. It just makes it harder to shop and everything. We're gonna go and get our things and get out. So let's go. Go to Tj Maxx. I'll show you what I got. I did not get a lot. I just got this sifter, pink sifter for baking. And then I got myself a planner. It's a cute little planner. I needed a planner for 2025, so I got that. And the kids each got a little marshmallow treat thing of some kind.
I got a unicorn. He got
a whale.
A whale.
They're just like marshmallows, like frosted marshmallows and things. So now Olivia still has some money left for Christmas, and she wants to go to Dollar Tree and buy some Dollar Tree things. So we're still going to Dollar Tree, and then we're gonna go home. We got Chipotle for lunch. This is the first time eating out in I don't know how long because we're on a budget. I did end up getting it. I caved and I bought it.
I got this.
The kids got a quesadilla and rice. I got a burrito with chips and queso. So now we're gonna do a mukbang for you guys.
And when we get home, we're gonna take another video. I've been making videos all day. That'd be fun.
Olivia loves making videos so much, and she wants to start her own channel, which we're gonna start it this week for her.
Oh my goodness. What's my channel called again?
I don't know yet. What do you want to call your channel? She puts the rice on top of her burrito. Next day, I am at home. Actually, I think it's 2 days later from when I went shopping. Yeah, it is 2 days later. My house is an absolute disaster. I have decided I am going to start room by room. I'm going to go through each room and I'm just going to purge everything. If I haven't used it in the last 3 months, you're out of my house. Like, this house, I feel like I have too much stuff. I don't know where all this stuff came from. Like, honestly, don't know where it came from. I'm not using it. It has to go. And I want a bare house. If there would be a way for me to move out of this house, clear everything out, and then move it back in, that's how I feel. Before I get started, I am going to make myself an iced coffee. This has been like my favorite iced coffees ever. I just fill the glass with like that much milk. I just put like some hot water in here because I want my honey to dissolve. Then I squirt my honey in there. Sometimes I use maple syrup as well. Then I just put some vanilla in there. And then I use this Nespresso. This stuff is so good. I got mine from Amazon. I can link it down below if you guys want to try it. But it is so good. And if you don't have like a Nespresso machine, get it, okay? You won't regret it. It's like $6, I think. And I remember the first time I got this, I was like, that's that cheap, like $6. Oh no, that's not expensive to me. But anyways, then I just mix it up in the little cuppy. Then you just pour it in. And then I just drink it up. It is so good. It's like my favorite. Oh, it is so good. So good. My sister-in-law actually taught me how to make this. Thank you to her because I love it. I drink this almost every day. Anyways, now that I have that, it's going to give me energy. All the energy I need to get some things cleaned up. I want to put my Christmas things away, but I have to get the totes and stuff to put it all in. I feel like once I get the Christmas stuff down, my brain will just like clear up. I have been slacking on my YouTube game. Literally have been slacking over here, but I'm sorry. I have been slacking, but I'm gonna try this year to post at least once a week, if not more. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down there for me and join my family. It's gonna be such a fun little YouTube journey. I'm gonna see how much I grow in 1 year by posting every week. Like, that's my goal. But I do post a lot on TikTok. If y'all want to have a little more of me, go to my TikTok and watch my TikToks because I do try to post every single day on there. I am trying to be a content creator, okay? Like a kid's birthday or something coming up, look at Pets Alive for your kids, some cute toys. My daughter got this for her Christmas. So it's like this mama duck, and then she has these little baby duckies, and then they like connect together. There's like a magnet, and then she literally waddles and they follow her. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. And then they like go in the eggs. Let me show y'all what it is. It is so cute. I love this toy. When you get it, they're all in here like this, and then you hatch them. So you like click that open. The egg pops out, and then there's the little duck. It is so cute. I absolutely love this toy. And then she has a little house. You put the nest on it, and then the mom sits on her eggs. So cute. I will put this in the link down below as well. So if you guys have any little kids that love, I know they make different ones, but this is the one my daughter got. And if you guys have kids, you have birthdays or anything coming up, highly recommend. Every kid that comes here absolutely loves this thing, and they're obsessed. It is so cute. I literally like sometimes just make it go so I can watch it myself because it's so adorable. But yeah, there she is.